Yep, I got another Stitch Fix in September, and this one's kind of heavy. I'm really curious about what's inside of it. If you want to see what's inside of it, keep watching and we'll find out together. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I love fashion. I love clothes and trying them on and, new looks. We've got a new season. It's, almost fall, so the weather is starting to change. And yeah, so if you like that kind of thing, then I hope you'll hit that subscribe button so we can hang out for the long haul. I hope you'll give this video a like if you like it. And oh, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. All right, let's see. Let's open up this Stitch Fix. So they are sending it now. Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service. And they pick out 5 items for you. They do give you a preview of 10 items that if you want to pick up to 5 of those, you can, and they will send them to you. And if you don't pick 5, then they will pick out whatever it takes to make up 5. It's a $20 styling fee unless they have offered you the $49 for the year style pass, which I have. So my boxes don't cost me anything. They are risk-free. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will go ahead and leave my code below. There is at least $25 off your first box, and sometimes they'll give me a 50 every once in a while. They had been delivering it FedEx. The last one came FedEx, and this one came FedEx. Ooh, I see shoes, I see shoes. Okay, but they give you a mailer so you can just send it back USPS, so that makes it super convenient. And this bundle, let's see, it has got some gorgeous fall colors. Now I did pick out a couple things from the preview. They also send you a note from your stylist and style cards, which gives you different ways that you can wear the items. And then there is a invoice with the prices on it, which I don't look at until I have tried everything on, because I just want to see how I feel about the clothes and not let how much they cost sway me. And that has come back to bite me. All right, so these feel like probably booties, because this is where the weight is. So we're gonna check these out first. And oh, I think I did choose these in my preview, and these are super cute. These, I can't remember if I chose these in my preview or not, but they were this very pretty burgundy color. I love that color. And they've got stitching, some nice detail, just a kind of a, between a pointy and a rounded toe, not too high of a heel. They feel like they're made out of suede, and the zipper on the side. So those, ugh. So I got a new stylist. If you haven't watched my my last video, I got a new stylist, and her name is Marsha. Hi, Marsha. And she did a great first box for me. And so I'm a little nervous that she is going to be good for my closet and bad for my bank account. All right, let's dig into this bundle. All right, on top we have a what would you call that? What color would you call that? Does it say on the tag? Beige. This is the Letty and Me Eulalia V-neck sweater in beige, in extra small. It's very, very soft. It has that kind of nice pattern in the knit, and long sleeves, tiny little bit of ribbing at the end of the arm, and then also at the bottom. Very, very soft. All right, I'm gonna say I'm not sure if this is a great color for me, because I feel like it might kind of wash me out. What do you think? But I'm anxious to try it on because it's so soft. All right, next up, we have a Love Ellie Mia Waffle knit sweater in burgundy. And This again is very soft, long sleeves with a cuff at the wrist and same at the bottom. This has the party in the back. It's got this pretty crisscross detail. Oh, Marsha. These are some great pieces. All right, and then this is another top. I asked for light sweaters. You can tell them what you're looking for. And I said, you know, the weather is starting to turn, and I asked for some lightweight sweaters. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. Where's the tag that says, it's Letty and me also, Elsie side rib sweater in pink. And it's got kind of color blocking and stripes. And then on the sides, there's this ribbing. It's got these metal buttons at the cuff with the ribbing and just a nice crew neck. Also very, very soft. All right, that's pretty. I like the colors in that. I'm not usually huge on stripes. They have to be the right stripes. So we'll see if they are. I like how you can see she kind of has like a theme going with color. She did that in the last one too. So the things go together, which I really appreciate. A lot of times it just feels like, you know, they threw 5 things into the box. All right, and then last up we have a pair of denim jeans by Democracy. These are the Kathryn Bootcut jean in Indigo, size 2 petite. So 2 petite is awesome because that means I shouldn't have to hem them. So just a little baby bootcut, dark denim, no distressing. I tell them I do not like distressing. And I am excited. The back pockets, they have like it has like a seam down the middle of the pocket. So the pockets are a little bit different than typical. All right, I'm excited to try this on. I am gonna have to wait a little bit because my husband's bringing some work people over soon, and pulling things on and off always messes up my hair, and I want my hair to look good when they're here. All right, but you won't have to wait at all because you're gonna see me in a second. And I'll also show you my outfit of the day. So my outfit of the day is the Michael Stars dress that I got in my front door fashion. And this is a Nick and Zoe sweater that I think I got from Nordstrom years ago. And the shoes are Cole Haan. So the sweater is, I guess you would call that 3/4 length. And it buttons here and buttons here. So you could wear it like this, but I wear it like that. And the dress. All right, let's get to trying on some clothes. So the first outfit I have on 3 of the pieces. I have the striped kind of color blocked top, the bootcut jeans, and the booties. So let's talk about the top first. It is a really nice weight for the transitional time of year. I like the colors a lot. I like the little button detail, little slits on the side. I think the colors are really pretty, and I think I'm okay with this type of color blocking and striping. The stripes all line up very nicely. So what do you think of this? When I showed my daughter this outfit, she was like, oh, that's cute. Oh, those jeans are cute. That whole outfit is really cute. So let's talk about the jeans and the boots. So the jeans fit beautifully. Let's see. They just really nice around the waist, nice rise, little string there. I like the whiskering. I feel like it does a lot for my booty with the seam and just the placement of the pockets. I feel like that looks really, really good. One thing that's bothering me a little bit about these jeans is the way the boot cut kind of flares out really wide. I told my daughter I kind of feel like I've got wings and I'm going to take off. But I really like it from the side. And then I noticed that there's kind of like a crease here, like they pressed it on both sides. So I'm wondering if I press that out, would it have more of a kind of just flowy look and not so wingy look. All right, let's take a closer look at the booties. So I rolled up the hem so you could see the booties. I obviously wouldn't wear it like that, but they are really comfortable, beautiful color. I love the details on them. The heel is a really nice height. I would probably wear like maybe skinnies, cuffed skinnies with these. Yeah, I have several pairs this similar color, so I will have to take a look in my closet and see if, I feel like they are different enough, but just should double check. So tell me what you think of the booties, and let's try on another top. All right, let's talk about this other sweater. It is, I'm gonna come up closer, just kind of pan it down a little bit. So it's nice V-neck, sleeves are good length, a little bit long, like if I pull it out, it's a little bit long, but then because of the little bit of ribbing there, it comes up nicely. And of course, this is the one with the party in the back, which is super cute. And it's very, very soft. It's a nice length. It's a little bit too short for leggings because it doesn't completely cover the booty, but I think it's a really nice length. I am going to have to ask for a replacement because there's like a little pull there, a little snag. I showed it to my daughter. I said, oh, it's not that noticeable. She said, yes, it is. So I think I will have to check and see if either they'll do a price adjustment or if they can send me a new one. So I'd like this a lot. All right, we have one more sweater, and I'm going to give you a bonus because I'm going to go ahead and try on the joggers I got with my Beachly box with the other top. Be right back. So last up we have this beige sweater with the joggers from my Beachly box. The joggers are, they're kind of baggy and loose and just kind of typical joggers, but they are so soft. They feel so good. And I love blue. This was like such a surprise. I actually was not expecting them to be so incredibly nice. The top is nice V-neck, which I love. I love this texture herringbone detail down the front. Arms are, again, a little long, but nothing crazy. And it's just this banded bottom. So while I don't love the color, I feel like if maybe I put on a scarf or something, that might perk it up a little bit. Maybe some chunky jewelry, I don't know. I think I'm probably gonna end up keeping it because of the old Stitch Fix math. So, which brings us to prices. So let's go over prices and do a recap. Another great box by Marsha. Let me read you her note. Hello, Andrea. I am back and so excited to see that the last fix was finally a hit, except for the top that you gifted to your daughter. I hope that she loves it. I see that this time you chose 2 pieces from the fix preview to try. I dove into our inventory to look for some transitional pieces that will take you into fall. I could not find a white gauzy button down or an oversized button-up cardigan this time, but I can look for some next time. If anybody knows where I can get a white gauzy button down, please leave me a comment so I can check into it. I'm having a really hard time finding one. Let's see, where were we? Since you asked for some lightweight fall sweaters, I chose the Elsie sweater to try with your dark purple jeans from the last fix and the Eulalia sweater to try with the jeans that you chose from Democracy. I also added a surprise with the Caia booties in Burgundy to wear with the jeans and the Mia sweater from Love Ellie. I look forward to your feedback and ideas next time. Marsha. And I did not do it the way she told me to, but so let's go over prices. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $325. The buy all discount is of 25%. If you buy everything, you get a 25% discount. That would take off $81.25, bringing the subtotal to $243.75. So let's talk about the prices of the individual items. Okay, so the Market and Spruce Caia Heeled Suede Bootie in Burgundy is $99. These are the most expensive thing in the box. And I like them a lot. I am strongly considering keeping them because they are different from the other burgundy booties I have in my closet. And I just really like, you know, the details on them. I think they look cute with some cuffed up jeans. All right, next up is the Letty and Me Eulalia V-neck sweater in beige. And this is $44. So if I keep everything, I mean, it would be silly, even though I'm not madly in love with the color of this, it would be silly to send it back because it's, you know, it's less than, if I didn't keep only that, I would be paying more money than if I kept it, so. And then the Letty and Me Elsie side rib sweater in pink is $48. I think that's a really fair price for this. I love the colors. I think they're really nice fall colors with, you know, the little pop of pink and then the mauve. I just think those are really nice colors. And then the Love Ellie Mia Waffle knit sweater in burgundy is $46. And I love that back detail. So soft, the material. And another, you know, really nice fall color. And I love how she kind of coordinates the colors in the boxes that she's done for me. And then the Democracy Kathryn Absolution Itty Bitty Bootcut in Indigo are $88. And they're by Democracy, which is, I think, I mean, if I had gotten them at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I probably could have gotten them for cheaper, but I'm going to go ahead and press the legs to see if I can get them to hang so that I like them better. I think chances are really good that this is going to be a 5 for 5. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. This is my 52nd fix. Actually, I think it's only my 51st because I think they're still counting the one that got lost and then I never received. Trying to think of what else. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll leave my link below so that you can get at least $25 when you do your first fix. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you liked everything as much as I did, if you think, you know, there's something I should send back, or should I keep it all? Should I do a 5 for 5? Marcia, you're doing too darn good of a job. I'm really grateful that you left that note for me a couple videos ago and told me to ask for you, because you are doing a great job and I really appreciate it. And I appreciate all of you for watching my video. If you liked it, please give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will. And until next time, fashion friends, dress like you mean it.